Good morning, children. I welcome all of you the online teaching learning English class. Till now, we have already covered SGP 1, SGP 2, and SGP 3 of the topic only made impossible possible. Today, we discuss about the SGP 4. In your English book, open your English book, page number 4, SGP 4 and session 3. Now I am going to read the paragraph. You listen very carefully. After reading, some keywords or difficult words and their meaning will be supplied to you for your better understanding. Then let's start. The lawyer agreed, and the next day Oli was called to the witness box. The judge asked, "When was the theft made? Was it day or night?" Oli replied, "You may call it a day, Your Honor. You may also call it a night." "How?" the judge asked. "When the theft was committed, there was light, my lord, but slowly it became dark. It was the meeting time of the day and night, Your Honor." The judge seemed to nod his head in agreement and asked the next question. "How many persons were there at the time of the theft?" Oli said, "Sir, you can say 5 or 25, Your Honor." When the judge asked, "How?" Oli said, "When the theft was committed, there were only 5 persons. But slowly the number increased to 25." The judge seemed to nod his head in agreement. The third question, the judge asked, "What was the color of the purse?" Oli said, "You can call it black and you can also call it white, my lord." When the judge asked how Oli showed a purse, how Oli showed a purse which was white inside and black outside. The judge smiled an unusual smile and nodded his head in full agreement. So, dear students, silent readings, one silent reading by you, then I will explain you line by line of the topic SGP 4. Okay, there are some keywords. Agree, ରାଜି ହେବା. Meeting time, ମିଳନ ସମୟ. Committed, past tense of commit, ତା ଅର୍ଥ ଭୁଲ କରିବା. Increase ମାନେ ବୃଦ୍ଧି ହେଲା, past tense of increase. Nod, ମୁଣ୍ଡ ହଲେଇବା. Seem, ଜଣା ପଡ଼ିବା. Unusual, ଅସାଧାରଣ. Full agreement, ପୂର୍ଣ୍ଣ ମାତ୍ରାରେ ରାଜି ହେବା. These are some keywords you have to remember. Then I explain you SGP 4 line by line. The lawyer agreed, and the next day Oli was called to the witness box. Dear students, you have already learned about your SGP 1, SGP 2, SGP 3. When the case was going to be lost, at that time only the cook boy listened about the case and tried to success about the case. So he said to his lord, to his lawyer, I will give me a chance, I will help you, this case will be win. So the lawyer agreed with Ali and came to the next day to the court, and Ali was called to the witness box. Then the judge asked, when was the theft made? Was it day or night? Ali replied, you may call it a day, Your Honor. You may also call it a night. How? The judge asked. Means when the first witness answered that the theft was occurred at the time of day, the second witness answered the theft was occurred at the time of night. They have already seen the incident, but without seeing, only said we may call it day or night. Means it first, when the first witness, when he has seen at that time it was daytime, but the second witness, when he was seen the incident after some time, it was night. So only answered it, you may call it day or the night or the time of meeting. অর্থাৎ যেতে প্রথম সাক্ষীটি দেখিছিলা, প্রথম সাক্ষীটি দেখা সময় ঘটনাটা କ'ଣ ହେଇଛି, ଦିନ ସମୟ ଥିଲା। ଦ୍ୱିତୀୟ ସାକ୍ଷୀଟି ଟିକେ କିଛି ସମୟ ଗଲା ପରେ ରାତି ସମୟ ହେଇଯାଇଥିଲା, ତେଣୁ ଏହା ଦିନ ରାତିର ମିଶ୍ରିତ ସମୟ ବୋଲି ସେ କହିଥିଲେ। So you may call it day or you may call it night. The judge asked, when the theft was committed, there was light, my lord, but slowly it became dark. It was the meeting time of the day and night, Your Honor. The judge seemed to nod his head in agreement and asked the next question. So the answer of the Ali was satisfied to the judge. So the judge nodded his head and agreed with Ali. So he asked the second question to Ali, how many persons were there at the time of the theft? Ali said, sir, you can say 5 or 25, Your Honor. It answer also dual, 5 or 25. When the judge asked how, Ali said, when the theft was committed, there were only 5 persons. But slowly the number increased to 25. It means first only before SGP 2 and 3, 1, 2, 3, the answer was, the first witness answered that it was 5 persons. But the second witness answered that it was 25% at that time. But only answer 5 or 25. So confused to judge how it was possible. Only answer that when the first witness came to the incident place, at that time 5 persons in that place or are there. But when the second witness came to that place, at that time the people increased, and now it is growing increased, and it was 25. So the both questions answers are equal, or the right, or the truth. So you can imagine it 5 or 25, or count it 5 or 25%. Then the judge question the third question, the judge asked, what was the color of the purse? Only said, you can call it black and you can also call it white, my lord. When the judge asked how, only showed a purse which was white inside and black outside. The judge smiled, an unusual smile, and nodded his head in full agreement. It means you can call it white or you can call it black, my lord, is a very clever statement of Oli, because the first and second witness said what they had seen in their eyes, but intelligent Oli could sense or realize their differences and tried to minimize it to the extent possible which the judge will believe. She knew the incident, she knew the inner side to the purse is white and outside is black. When he showed the both side of the judge, he was convinced and nodded his head in full agreement. What in this way the case was won by the lawyer. Oli was the hero of this case. So Oli made impossible possible. You also know about Oli was Oli was not educated, but he is intelligent. Educated persons always cannot help. Educated persons cannot success in his life through education. Intelligent is required, but Oli is not intelligent. Although Oli is not educated, he is intelligent. It is an ability to think in a logical way and understand things. A person may be uneducated but has ability solve the problem. King Akbar, like an example, King Akbar has illiterate but possessed intelligence. Similarly, Birbal was not highly educated but had tremendous intelligence. He could solve and settle the problems easily. There are many more examples of men who are intelligent but not educated, like your Oli. In this way, we completed our first lesson. Oli made impossible possible, Now you discuss about some comprehension questions and their answers. The first SGP for first comprehension questions. Number 1. Did the lawyer agree to take Oli as the third witness? Yeah, the answer is yes. The lawyer agreed to take Oli as the third witness. The second question. Did the judge ask the same 3 questions? Yes, the judge asked the same 3 questions. What was question number 3? What was Oli's answer to the first question? Oli's answer to the first question was that his honor might can it a day or he might call it a night. Question number 4. Is it possible that the theft time was both day and night? Yes. The answer is yes. It was possible for the theft time to be both day and night. Question number 5. Is it possible that the number of persons present in the court was both 5 and day 25? How? Yes. The answer is yes, it was possible. When the theft was committed, there was only 5 persons, but slowly the number increased 25. Question number 6. What did Oli do when the judge asked about the color of the purse? The answer is Oli showed a purse which was white inside and black outside. Question number 7. Was the judge satisfied? How do you know? The answer is yes, the judge was satisfied. We know this because in the end the judge smiled, an unusual smile, and nodded his head in full agreement. Question number